Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Jeff in Maryland on the Stryker SR-955hpc. Jeff, it's all fixed up for you, bud. Our tune and alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, and the ERF 2030 Plus upgrade. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. We've got the 100 watt slug in average power. 2 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability in case you decide to run an amplifier. 20 watts all the way up, show you average power swing. Ooh, 64 bird, 250 watt slug in PEP. Ooh, 120 PEP. All right, my friend, it's ready to head to the Northeast from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.